Hello students, previously we seen about the master page concept. Okay, we already seen that how we can add the master page into the particular our website. Now let us see the theoretical steps for adding the master page inside the web page. Now before that, let us look the terminology that we use inside the master page control. First one is the master page. Gives us way to create the common set of UI user interface elements that are required on the multiple pages of our website. Content page, ASP.NET web page that will be used master page to have the common UI elements display on the rendering itself. What is the content placeholder? A control that should be added on the master page, which will be reserve the area of the content pages to render their contents. Content control. It is ASP content, and this one is the content placeholder of the master page. Content control, a control which will be added on the content pages to tell these pages that the contents inside this control will be rendered where the master pages content placeholder is located. Okay, now go to add new item. First, for creating the master page, what we have to do, go to add new item, select the master page. Yes, here we select the master page and click on the let's say master page is master page 1.master. Okay, we have to remember the all the extension of the master page is .master and click on the add. Yes, here you have to select the languages of Visual Basic. Yes, I select as a Visual C#. Now once we have a menu added, then we can have content pages to use the master page. Let us few content pages like default, about, contact us pages. Yes, तो ये सारे मेनू के अंदर हमें सारे कंटेंट पेजेस क्रिएट करना है. सिंपली वी कैन से इनसाइड द मास्टर पेज. Now when we have to add the content page with the help of master page, then we can say what we have to do. First, in the Visual Studio 2005, the UI is different. Yes, we can say UI is different. So for that, in that particular UI, we have to select the waveform and then we have to select the master page. Yes, we have to select this particular select master page and click on the add, and then the message is same that the select the master page. We have to select this particular page and click on the OK. Yes. Now how we can add the content page? How we can add the content to the content page? Yes. First thing that we require the ASP content, then ID content 1, and then content placeholder ID we have to give. This one is the ID of the master page, content placeholder ID. Yes, it is refer the master page content placeholder ID. We have to give that particular name what we use inside the master page. Yes, and this one is the unique ID inside the ASP content, or we can say ASP.NET web page, and that we can add the or use the n number of tags. Yes, we can put here any tags like table, then a div tag, heading tag, bold tag, any tag we can put here. Next one is the advantages of the master page. Let us see what are the advantages of the master page. You can make updates in one place as they allow you to centralize the common functionality of your pages. First advantage क्या है? It will provide a common functionality of the pages, or we can say look and feel to the pages. Master pages, second one advantage is that with the help of master pages, it is easy to create one set of controls and codes and apply the result to a set of pages. Yes, we can apply to the set of pages. That is another advantage. Third advantage is that we can say control over the layout of the final page by allowing you to control how the placeholder control are rendered. Okay, we can say we can avoid this particular advantage. There is no need. Okay, I simply remove. You can provide an object model which allows you to customize the master page from individual content pages. This one is one of the we can say dynamic advantage inside the master page, that by using this particular content page we can also specialize or give the look and feel or provide the customization to the master page. Yes, तो हम यहाँ पर ये बोल सकते हैं कि मास्टर पेज से हम कंटेंट पेज के अंदर कोई भी कस्टमाइजेशन प्रोवाइड करवा सकते हैं. यस, डिसएडवांटेज क्या है ये okay. One minute. Okay, now let us assume that what can be a disadvantages of the master page. First one, we can say disadvantage is what if we create the nested master pages, then it is difficult to handle the events of the master page inside the content page and itself a master page also. Yes, how we can find out that what kind of event are going to be reflected to the other pages. Yes, that is very difficult. So that one is one of we can say big disadvantage of the master pages, or we can say nested master pages. Sometime we can say the UI become also managed to difficult for a big kind of master pages. Yes. So there are some kind of we can say disadvantage of the master page. To remove that particular disadvantages, we have in ASP.NET we recently use we can say MVC structure, that is a model view controller structure. Yes, it is a very flexible structure, and that we can create the design and use inside the various kind of pages, and it is very dynamic thing. Now let us see what are the nested master pages. If nested master pages means what? Nested loop क्या होता है? The loop inside loop, that is called as a nested loop. Same way, what are the nested master pages? We can say nested master pages are what? The master page inside the master page have we can say nested master pages. Yes, यानी कि एक master page के अंदर दूसरा master page अगर हमने रखा है तो वो particular master page is called as a nested master pages. Yes, so we can say you can use more than one master page on your website. When more than one master page is used, you can make use of nested master pages. For example, यहाँ पर एक example भी दिया गया है that a company has a number of business partners, franchisees company. In such scenario, you can define the layout element like logos, menu, copyrights, and notice on your main master pages of your company's website. The franchisee company can then also define their own master pages. Then nest their master page with the master page of your company. Yes, so we can say आप समझ गए होंगे कि हमारे पास एक कॉमन वेबसाइट है. यस, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी फ्रेंचाइजीज वाली कंपनी अवेलेबल है, तो हम हमारा एक कंपनी का लोगो मास्टर पेज बना के रख सकते हैं. दैट वन इज द मेन मास्टर पेज, और उसके अंदर वी कैन से बहुत सारे फ्रेंचाइजीज कंपनी अवेलेबल होंगे. उसके अंदर फ्रेंचाइजीज वाले अपने खुद के लोगो, कंपनी नेम और वो सब कुछ रखेगा. यस, So that is a nested master pages example. Yes. So we can say there is no limit of the nested master pages. We can add the n number of nested master pages. Yes. So there are advantages also. I hope that of the theory point of view you understand what are the nested master pages and master pages. Okay, so master page अभी भी बता देता हूँ. That is the combination of the master page and content page will produce the output page. मास्टर पेज कभी भी रन नहीं होता है. पेज कौन सा रन होता है? ओनली द वेब पेज रन होता है. दैट इज अवर कंटेंट पेज. यस, जब भी आप कंटेंट पेज के अंदर कोई भी मास्टर पेज यूज करते हो तो दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा वही हमारा आउटपुट पेज होगा. I hope that you understand the whole concept of the master pages. Thank you.